Hello everyone, today I will show you how I made this productivity desk setup. I recently rented this apartment, so I had to freshen it up a bit. I had to make it my own for a while because it's closer to my 9 to 5, and I decided that I will move for a while. So I had to start all over with my desk setup. I had a setup before this and I had to start all over. I wanted everything to fit perfectly on the desk, so I measured everything to ensure I get the perfect size desk to fit everything on it perfectly, seamlessly.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn petty. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweating, tears breaking, even no wins. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss.
For the desktop, I decided to go with 1x12 pine wood. I wanted 2x12, however, it's way heavier and it's more expensive. I lost most of the footage of me making the desk and unboxing the products. However, I still have enough footage to show you guys the process. If you guys want a video of how I made the desk, please type it in the comment section. I will surely recreate one for you guys. After purchasing the hardwood from the hardware store to make the desktop, I actually cut them in pieces, then I glued them together. My desk is 26 by 74 inches. I use the same wood to make the shelves. I made the monitor stand from the same wood, which is pine, because I wanted everything to look the same.